Hi guys, it's Karl from Rolling in Giggles here. This is just a quick one. Oh yeah, thanks for signing on to the email as well. This is just a quick one to show you how to use these. It's nice and easy. You roll it over, fold it up. That is literally how long it takes. Slide it up just a little bit so you don't mess up your Rizzler. Otherwise you end up with a scruffy bent Rizzler, which means it's going to be you'll struggle to fill it from the top with it being weak. So leave it like that so you can put that in there without an issue, and then slide it off, and that is it. It is literally it. It takes seconds. It saves you a hell of a lot of money in comparison to buying from these tubes where you can buy 2 per tube. With my roller and the £5 you would spend on that, you can roll, I think it was 56 Rizzlers. So you would roll 56 of mine for their 2. Now, once you've rolled it, I'm pretty sure you know what to do. It's the fun bit. But, well not but, and there's also travel boxes that you can take to festivals that are literally ready to go. All you got to do is put your stuff in there, close the box, stick it in a bag, you are done. That is it. You can even go full hog and get an 8-inch, 9-inch, well no, it's 8-inch. The Rizzler ends up as an 8-inch joint, right? And that took me a whole day to smoke that, believe it or not. But I've got plenty more in the shop, so please come in and find out, and I'd like to see you there.